All right, guys, so my car battery here is running low. It says keyless remote battery low. All right, so if your battery is running low, my car is a 2022 Honda HR-V. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go buy a battery, and I'm gonna show you guys how to basically replace the battery. Okay.
Hey everyone, it's One Stop Guy. How's everyone all doing today? Hoping everybody is having a great day today. All right, guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your car remote battery. Okay, so this one is actually on a Honda, and I am actually replacing it on my 2022 Honda HR-V. All right, and before we do that, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, okay? And tap in the notification bell so whenever I upload any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, guys, so let's get started here. So, as you guys saw earlier, my remote battery right here ran out of battery. So there was an alert, and also on my screen of my car, it says that the battery was low. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to open this key fob up right here. And like I mentioned, it is a Honda key fob. So if you guys have these similar ones right here, it's going to be the same process on how to open it up and all that. Okay. All right. So, and then also I bought a battery here as well. Okay. It's also by Energizer, or it could be by any brand. 2032 lithium. Okay. So this is the battery that this Honda key fob needs right here. And then I actually bought this on Amazon. So if you guys are looking for one of these battery as well, I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can pick it up. Okay. All right. So as you guys can see, this key fob here, there in the back of the key fob, there is a lever right there. You guys see that? There's a lever right there. So what you want to do first is kind of press it in, and then this thing will pop out for you to get your emergency key. Okay, so this emergency key actually is very useful as well. So you can take it out and stick it on the door to unlock the door as well. Okay, but I'm not going to be doing that step. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to open this key fob up and how to replace the battery. So as you guys can see right there, okay, I don't know if you guys can see that or not right there, but right there, right in the middle, there is a thing right there where you can stick your key right in there and then just turn it to open this thing up. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do right now. So let me stick it in, and once you stick it in, you can feel that kind of the key kind of stick in there. You guys see that? So once it's sticking there already, you got to kind of have a grip, and all you got to do is just twist your hand like this, twist back and forth until the case pops out. Okay, so let's do it right now. You guys see that? The case started to pop out already. So you actually don't really need any tools or whatnot. You just need the key itself. So that's pretty convenient. So if you're out and about, at least you don't have to run around looking for a tool or whatnot. All right, and then all you gotta do is just kind of pop it open. And then once you pop it open, you guys can see the battery right there. That this battery needs a CR 2032. Okay, so I have the battery here, 2032. So it's exactly the same battery. And all you got to do now is just take the battery out, right? Pop it out with your finger or use a flat screwdriver or whatnot. Like I said, if you have a screwdriver, just pop it out. All right, so I guess I do kind of need a flat screwdriver to take it out because it's kind of hard with my finger. So you guys can just, take a flat screwdriver like this and then just poke it in and pry it out if your hands are not strong enough. There you go. That's it. Pretty easy with the flat screwdriver instead of your fingers. But if you guys have strong fingers, then you guys can probably pop it out. But yeah, I guess you can use a flat and screwdriver there. And then we're going to go ahead and replace it with the new battery that we bought on Amazon. Okay. All right, so here it is. This is the battery that I bought on Amazon. 2032. Okay. It's the same number. And then all we got to do now It's just pop it right back in. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. And then you guys want to at least press it to see if it actually works, okay? Yep, the lights are on and it works. And then to put it back on, all you gotta do is just do the reverse way, right? Kind of just snap it in. You see that snapped on? All right, guys, so once you snap it on, it looks exactly like this. Just make sure it works. Press on it so at least the light goes on and you know it's working. Yep, it's working. And then all you gotta do is replace this emergency key back on. And you're good to go. Now you got a brand new battery inside the key fob, and that is how you open it up and replace the new battery and also close it back up. Pretty straightforward, guys. Save you a few bucks. If you bring it to the dealer, they may charge you an arm and a leg when you can get this done in less than 5 minutes. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions or comment, leave them down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, okay? And tap in the notification bell so whenever I upload any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
All right, guys, I'm inside my car again. After fixing the battery, no more lights.